talk about the past in English, we often add ed to the end of regular verbs. You often see ed at the end of some adjectives in English too. But did you know that ed can be pronounced in 3 different ways? It all depends on the last sound of the base verb. T sound. If the base verb ends in a quiet or voiceless sound, such as k, p, s, sh, ch, f, the ed sounds like a sharp t. For example, help, helped. Wash, washed. D sound. If the base verb ends in a vocal or voiced sound, like le, m, n, v, z, or any vowel, the ed sounds like a soft d. For example, call, called. Clean, cleaned. Id sound. Extra syllable. If the base verb ends with the t or d sound, we add an extra syllable pronounced id. For example, want, wanted. Need, needed. So remember, ed sounds like t for voiceless sounds, d for voiced sounds, id for words ending in a t and d sound. Now, shadow read these sentences to practice the ed sounds. Yesterday, Tom walked to the shop. He wanted to buy some fresh bread. On his way home, he helped an old man with his bags. The man smiled and thanked him. At home, Tom cleaned the kitchen. He washed the dishes and dusted the shelves. Then he called his friend Sarah. They talked about their weekend plans. On Saturday, Sarah painted her room light blue. She fixed her broken chair and pushed it to the wall. Later, she visited her grandmother in town. They chatted for hours and opened a box of old photos. In the evening, Mark played music on his guitar. He practiced a new song and recorded it on his phone. His dog barked happily and jumped up and down. Mark smiled, turned off the light, and rested after a long day.